Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today wherever you are. I did finally get my July Boxycharm box in the mail. What had happened was last month, originally it was set to be delivered on, I believe, Saturday the 15th. The carrier, which was FedEx, didn't get it to the UPS store before it closed on Saturday, so it had to go back to the warehouse. And then the following Monday, according to the tracking, it was brought back to the warehouse. So it went out in the morning and then was brought back to the warehouse, and I think it says the Tacoma location, which I think is actually in Fife. And ironically, I drive past their facility on my way to and from work. But they brought it back to their facility at like 2 something in the afternoon for investigation. Nothing, no notice from UPS. I mean, they clearly, they have my address for my mailing address. They could have put a note in there to say something went wrong. Nothing. Now, I work 3 doors down from the UPS store where we have our mailbox. So I'm a little disappointed in our local FedEx, to say the least. Finally, I want to say it was on the 19th. I called FedEx because I asked the manager of the UPS store. I'm like, does this happen a lot? That, it just like they just take it back for whatever reason. And I think I'd actually first tried emailing them, never got a response. Talked to Gene, he's like, yeah, he goes, you got to call them. They're not going to respond to an email. Okay, so I called, got somebody on the phone. He looked it up and he goes, yeah, it was brought back to the facility because it was empty. Excuse me, what? My box was empty? So they tried to deliver it on Saturday. It must have still had the product in it on Saturday for them to take it back to the warehouse because that was too late. Then they got it back on the truck. I'm assuming probably had like a whole bunch of little boxes all in a box, so they didn't notice getting it back on the truck again for delivery on Monday, or that following Monday, that the products were no longer in the box. So that means that either a driver or somebody who works in the warehouse at FedEx helped themselves to my products, and the support person that I spoke to on the phone was just like, yeah, there's nothing we can do. You got to contact the the person or the people who sent it to you to get a replacement. They could literally care less, because of course they got paid to deliver it, which they never delivered it, and somebody took all my stuff, which is beyond disappointing. And no apology, no anything, just zero accountability. If I ever personally have a choice on my shipping needs, I will never use FedEx. That was just unacceptable. So Boxycharm gets to send me more, even though they only get paid once. They get to pay to send another one, plus all the product, because the carrier or somebody working for the carrier is dishonest and is a thief. I guess maybe if it happens often enough, they'll change carriers. I don't know. But I personally, this left a really, really bad taste in my mouth for FedEx. Not gonna lie. So, got the July box and the August box the same day. I'm gonna do a separate unboxing for August, and what they had at Boxycharm when I contacted them, let them know what happened. You know, they were very apologetic, very accommodating with, you know, getting me out a new box for, you know, to replace a new one for July, and allowing me to choose an item for the August box as part of the, you know, compensation for, you know, the experience that I had, which that was really cool. They said at first they offered a choice between the Cargo Nude Beach eyeshadow palette and the Ace Beauté eyeshadow duos. I told them that I was more interested in the Cargo palette. Awesome, no problem. You'll get the palette. And then shortly later, I get a email that says, you know, recently you were given the choice between these two. We're reaching out to you with special news. We were able to upgrade your choice. And they said, instead of the eyeshadow palette, please let us know which of these two options you'd like to receive instead in your next Boxy. And it was the Tarte's Big Eagle Mascara or the Lily's Glass Skin Refining Serum. I chose the mascara. I have to believe that the palette, probably a higher value than the mascara. The Glass Skin Refining Serum, I don't know, that might be expensive. I don't know, but I got combo oily skin. Glass skin is the last thing that I'm going for. So I chose the mascara, and I wanted to clarify, so this means that I'm going to be getting the mascara instead of the palette, correct? Correct, that's true. Okay, so who knows, maybe they ran out of the box's options with the palette. So, all of that aside, let's get into my July Boxycharm and all of its information, because you know it's what I do. So the theme for July was Au Naturel. There's the card. And the first item in the box is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And that's what this looks like. And it says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And the MSRP is $35. The next item is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what this looks like. It's like this skinny. And here are the shades. You know, still pretty au naturel. And the card says, serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance, and the MSRP is $32. The next item is the Luxie Gaea 3-piece brush set. It came in this little box. I did kind of tear it a little bit, but this is just cardboard to protect the brushes en route. But here are the brushes. So they have, you know, obviously pretty soft bristles, not as soft as my Wayne Goss, but soft. Typical metal ferrule, and then the handles are actually almost kind of feel like unfinished wood. I don't know if you can see kind of the texture on that. Little kind of rose gold kind of staining to them. But they say, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye. There we go. So blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And the MSRP for this trio is $30. Then the next item is the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. I think I need to get my magnifying glass. I think I might be getting to that stage in my life where I'm gonna need to start wearing those cute little reading glasses. But in the meantime, I got my big magnifying glass with lights. Looks like Sirenita? So like Sirenita. Probably Sirenita. But this is what this looks like. And pop it open and you got your typical old doe foot applicator. And it says Juicy Shade Shifting Lip Luminizer Drenched in Pearlescent Reflex, formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and camellia oil. This mother of pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect, completely non-sticky. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free, and the MSRP is $10. Then the last item in the July replacement box is the Appeal Gel Liner. It says align and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. And this is what this looks like. Take the cap off and it's just what it says, a gel liner. I'm assuming you can use, because it does not twist, you are going to need a very good sharpener to get any more product out of it after the initial usage. It's quite a dark shade. Does it say on here? Desert Taupe is the color. And the MSRP for this one is $21. So like normal, I will list everything in the description box below with what their MSRP is, and so what the total value of the box is will all just be below. And that's it for this video. If you like the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below if you would like to see any of these things in action and actually use on my face. Let me know. I know I normally do a try on of everything, but since I'm doing the July and then next I'm going to shoot the August video, and I already have makeup on because I did my foundation with Wish, comparing the Wish dupe eyeshadow for the Huda Beauty to the real Huda Beauty. Probably recognize it because you're going to see several videos where I'm wearing the same top. My hair looks the same. My face looks the same. Because it's a long day of shooting. But that's it for this one. Like I said, please leave me a comment if you would like to see any of these items in use. And I will hope to see you again soon in another video. Bye!